Hello students, today in this lecture we will start discussion about different types of drilling machines. In previous lecture we have listed different types of drilling machine and now we will start discussion about each and every drilling machines step by step in detail. So the first drilling machine, that is the portable drilling machine, and the simple figure for this portable drilling machine is shown over here, and the actual machine that is also shown in this figure. And this machine we have seen everywhere in our normal home appliances. So first, this portable drilling machine is very small, compact, and it carries a small motor inside it, and it is generally used to drill holes in the components which cannot be transported because of its size and weight. And in most of the cases, these portable drilling machines are made to generate the drill of the size in the range of 12 mm to 18 mm. And one of the advantage of this portable drill machine is that the holes can be generated at our desired location because it is portable machine. And in most of the cases the motor used any AC or DC supply. So this portable drilling machine is simply a drilling machine with which one can generate the hole of 12 mm to 18 mm at the desired location. So this is about the portable drilling machine. Now the next machine, that is the sensitive drilling machine and upright drilling machine. And as we have discussed in our previous lecture, this sensitive and upright drilling machine both are similar, but in upright drilling machine it is comparatively larger in size than sensitive drilling machine. That means upright drilling machine can handle larger size workpiece compared to sensitive drilling machine. So if we see a simple construction of this drilling machine, and with this machine we will understand different common parts available in any of the drilling machine. So first of all, let us indicate one by one part. This first part, this is called as the base, and above this base this entire machine is supported, and mostly this base is used to support this vertical portion, and this vertical portion is called as the column. Now next part, above this vertical column at the top point this motor assembly is provided, and if we see, this motor end is connected through the belt drive over here with the main spindle rotation. So this column at its top consists of the head assembly, and this top portion is called as the head. Similarly over here there is the connection of different cone pulleys with the help of the V-belt drive to the main spindle. Next, this head assembly consists of the main spindle, and with this main spindle over here the main drill chuck for the holding of the tool is provided, and the tool is supported at this particular portion, and this is mostly in the cases called as the sleeve, and also combination with the drill chuck based on the size available of the drill bit. Similarly over here with the column another part is attached, and this part is called as the table, and on this table workpiece is set for the machining operation, and this table can be rotated along this column to adjust the location of the drilling hole that is required on the workpiece. And over here the handle that is shown, and this handle is called as the feed handle, because as this handle is rotated, with the rotation of this handle the drill bit over here moves in the downward direction and performs the machining operation. So as this drill bit is fed towards the workpiece, that's why this handle is called as the feed handle. So in the case of the sensitive drilling machine, it is used for drilling small holes at high speed in light workpieces. And as we have discussed, it consists of the base which may be mounted on a bench or on a floor. And if we discuss the drilling of small hole at high speed, hand feed is necessary, because this feed handle is rotated by means of the hand only. And as operator can sense the cutting action, this machine is called as the sensitive drilling machine. And in this machine, drill used are varies from 1.5 mm to 15.5 mm. So the drill bit that can be used in this drilling machine are in the range of 1.5 mm to 15.5 mm. So this is the overall discussion and these simple basic parts available in all drilling machines. So if we further summarize the different parts available in the drilling machine, so first one, that is the base. Second one, that is the column. Third one is the table. Fourth one, that is the head. Fifth one, that is the spindle. And drill head assembly, which is available at the top portion of the column, means in this particular region. And the last one, that is the spindle drive mechanism. Spindle drive mechanism, and this mechanism have different arrangement. It may be a step con pulley drive, it may be a step con pulley drive with the one back gear, and there might be a gearing arrangement for this spindle drive mechanism. So these are the main parts that are available in any of the drilling machine. And in sensitive drilling machine, if we discuss particularly, the mostly used drill bits are, again I am saying that it is in the range of 1.5 mm to 15.5 mm. So this is about the sensitive drilling machine. Similarly, the upright drilling machine have all these similar parts, but the main difference is that it has, as we have discussed in our previous lecture also, it is used for machining larger and heavier workpieces compared to this sensitive drilling machine. That means it is suitable for handling medium size workpiece. And in classification, we have also discussed that this upright drilling machine, it may have a round column section or it may have a box column section. So for exam point of view, one can consider this simple figure also, and this figure shows the each and every part that we have discussed that are available in sensitive and upright drilling machine. So for both these machineries, this similar figure can be used, but explanation may be different by certain points, such as sensitive drilling machine is useful for light workpieces, whereas this upright drilling machine is suitable for medium sized workpieces. So this is the basic difference between sensitive and upright drilling machine, and also we have discussed the different parts that are available in this sensitive and upright drilling machine. Now the next machine, that is the automatic drilling machine, and this machine similarly have all the parts that are available in normal drilling machine, but it has computer numerically controlled or computer operated system with which one can arrange the movement of the drill bit and similarly movement of the workpiece. And so as all the movements are digitally controlled, one can say that this drilling machine is comparatively accurate than the hand operated machines. So in this lecture we have discussed about main different drilling machines, that are the first one is portable drilling machine, second one is sensitive drilling machine, upright drilling machine, and automatic drilling machine. So in our next lecture onwards we will start discussion about radial drilling machine and different remaining drilling machines. So looking forward to see you all in our next lecture. Up to then, thank you.